Introducing Bridgestone R284 Ecopia, an innovative steer tire that delivers excellent fuel efficiency without sacrificing wear. With improved durability and longer wear life, plus 6% better rolling resistance, it's a tire designed to help your trucks get more out of every mile. The R284 Ecopia is a steer tire that gives you the best of both worlds. Engineered to deliver long wear life and the fuel efficiency benefits Ecopia tires are known for. Thanks to innovative technology, the R284 delivers significant wear life while also improving rolling resistance compared to the previous generation. The Bridgestone R284 Ecopia tread pattern improvements and innovations. A 4-rib design that enhances tread stiffness for improved fuel economy. Optimized tread depth and width to maximize tread volume for long original life and lower tread wear cost per mile. A defense side groove that minimizes shoulder edge wear for long original life. Equalizer ribs to absorb irregular wear, promoting uniform rib wear and higher removal mileage. Stress relief sipes to fight irregular wear on main ribs by absorbing rib edge stresses in the footprint for long, even wear. A patented NanoPro-Tech polymer technology that limits energy loss for improved rolling resistance and optimum fuel efficiency. The brilliance of NanoPro-Tech. Rolling resistance is caused by air resistance, energy loss through friction between tire and road, and energy loss due to internal friction between different elements in the compound. Bridgestone's patented NanoPro-Tech polymer technology reduces internal friction and the resulting energy loss in the top tread compound as the tire rotates. Reduced energy loss means reduced rolling resistance and improved fuel economy. An innovative tread compound working together with NanoPro-Tech, this proprietary compound contributes to longer wear life. A fuel saver sidewall reduces heat generation and energy loss. A proprietary shoulder design that optimizes the footprint for long, even wear. And lower cap base junction designed to reduce the occurrence of irregular wear through delayed exposure to the base compound. The IntelliShape sidewall design contains less bead filler volume, reducing tire weight and minimizing rolling resistance for enhanced fuel efficiency. The Bridgestone R284 Ecopia offers you longer life and a unique design giving you a fuel-efficient option. With longer wear life and better rolling resistance, you get more so that you can reach further. For more information about Bridgestone Ecopia products, visit our website at www.ecopiatrucktires.com.